Hey girl, hey, let's do another hair video today. We are going to be doing these cute little bombshell curls with our flat iron. So I did a silk press about a week ago and my hair is now super dirty and I feel like my hair holds a curl better when it's dirty. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair where I want it. I want to do like this nice sleek Hollywood look. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and just spray the hair down with some heat protectant. I like this one from Tresemme. It's super affordable. I got it from Target. So don't be like me, get you an actual rat tail comb or something to perfect your part. It'll make everything look so much cleaner. I don't know where my comb was, so I just used my little clip. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Care wax stick just to get this area around the part nice and sleek. By the way, I'm gonna be using my Conair 1-inch Infinity Pro flat iron for this whole entire style. I got this for $34.99 at Target. And this is my favorite flat iron. I have some pretty high-end flat irons, but I really love this one because I can curl my hair with it. I can get it super silky and straight. I mean, it's a great flat iron. It's worth $34. As you can see, I'm going around the perimeter of my head trying to get my edges and everything nice and sleek, because if you don't do that, then this style is just, it might not turn out as great as you like. So just take your time, get everything nice and sleek, use you a good edge wax. Okay, get your hair combed out really well. And then go ahead and get your flat iron, start at the roots just to get anything that's not flat enough. Flatten that out. And then this is so easy. You're just gonna keep twirling the flat iron and scooting it down the hair. And you get a cute little curl just like so. Now I did hold my flat iron a little bit too tight on that last curl, so you want to make sure like you have a good grip, but you don't want it to be too tight because it does leave that little line of demarcation and you just got to be careful. So just hold it nice and loose and then twirl and work your way down the hair. So again, we're going to start at the root, start twirling, loose hold. Just wrap the hair around, keep twirling and bring it down. The flat iron really does the work for you. You just got to keep twirling and bringing it down. Now, once you've done a few sections, your hand will start to like get the flow of things. You'll start to get a rhythm and it'll really just be super easy to get these curls done. You just have to take your time and work in small enough sections that you're comfortable with. So the middle of my head for some reason is like a different texture than the rest of my hair, and it doesn't hold a curl quite as well as the rest of the head. So I really have to make these curls super tight, and I have to like really let that heat sit in there. It's just the middle of my head. I don't know what it is. Does anyone else have that problem? I forgot to mention that I do spray hairspray. Like after I finish a section, I'll spray the area so that the hair has a nice hold. I'm using the Garnier Fructis extra hold hairspray, and I like this one because it doesn't get real crunchy and it doesn't turn white or anything or leave those white flakes in my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get these edges a little bit more sleek. I'm using the Got To Be glue in the yellow bottle. I am not a fan of this one. I like the one in the black bottle a lot better, but I didn't have it on hand, so this is what I'm using. Okay, this next step is really important for me. I like to clip the hair in the very front and I spray it with hairspray just so I can get that extra hold. And then I take the area where the curls are at the bottom and I comb them out and just kind of form the curls how I would like them to be formed. I'm gonna clip that section again and then I'm gonna spray everything one more time. So I let that sit while I did my makeup just so I could get a better hold. And now I'm gonna take the clips out and go ahead and style the curls to my liking. So I first like to go through and rake out some of the curls with my fingers just to loosen everything up a bit and get an idea of what I want to do, because you can still like form your curls at this point. Sometimes I'll take like some oil and I'll go in with my brush and I'll just like form the curls a little bit more. I use that Proclaim olive oil just on the ends of my hair, and then I take my little paddle brush or whatever you call this brush and I'm combing out the curls. And because all the bristles are so close together, it gives you a more fluffy effect. So using just like a regular wide tooth comb is not going to give you this effect. You want to use something with more little combs or bristles in it. And that way you can just go through and, you know, form the curls, make them a little bit more fluffy if you like. Now I'm going to go in with this Tresemme Smoothing Shine Serum, and I like to just put that on the top of the hair just to make everything look a little bit more healthy and sleek. This is the finished look and I am really happy with how my hair turned out. I feel like I'm going to take glamour shots or something. You know, like the late 80s, how they had those fuzzy sweaters on and they would have their curls all bombshelled out and pretty. I really feel that moment. Like, this is my moment right here. And as always, thank y'all so much for tuning in and clicking on today's video. I really appreciate all the love. If you're interested to see how I accomplish this makeup look, I will have a video coming out shortly on this look, so stay tuned. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.